Your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro should sound legendary, but right now they're sounding muffled and low, even if your volume is maxed out and your music feels miles away. But don't worry, we're going to fix your audio using the best old school tricks and the latest features. Let's go. First up, the old school fix. 90% of the time, it's not the tech, it's wax. First, grab a Q-tip and clean the outer layer of the mesh side to remove any dust or debris. Now, pop off those ear tips and grab a soft bristled toothbrush and gently brush the mesh. If that grill is blocked, the sound can't get out. Also, take a quick look at the inside of the ear tips to make sure they're clean and free from any dirt or buildup. Do the same for both of them. Then put them in and you'll likely hear the difference immediately. Still quiet? Open Buds 4 Settings. Scroll down and enter Sound Quality and Effects. Enter Equalizer. Buds 4 uses balanced EQ by default, so you can try louder EQ options like bass boost, dynamic, or treble boost for a more open soundstage. Also, go back one step, enter Eartip's Fit Test, where the buds perform the fit test. If it's not the best fit or miscalculating your ear shape, the sound profile will collapse. If you have a perfect seal, only then you will have the perfect sound. Additionally, from Settings, go to Sound Quality and Effects, then Advanced Settings, and turn on UHQ Audio to get the best playback quality. You can also enable Super Wideband Speech for clearer call audio. And just make sure you have ANC set to full. This helps with everything working properly again. Crystal clear sound, just like it's supposed to be. Thanks for being with us.